Clubhouse shenanigans. Clubhouse shenanigans is in the. Hold on, one mic. Clubhouse shenanigans is in the room, so this is going on YouTube. Man.
So
Wait, what?
Yeah, ain't looking good.
oh shit.
That Larry Hoover shit is not looking good.
So sometimes we just gotta be like,
No, I see. I listen. I know what approach. I only got one approach. I'm not gonna win the overall because it is what it is.
yeah.
It's like I'm looking at it. I'm looking at the shit stamp October 1st, 1968 witness list. I'm looking at it.
Yo,
So so you said, Wack, you said we was gonna do this face to face if I got to work, right? I said, that's for sure. He said, all right. He sent me about 3-4 pieces of work he just got yesterday. And he ordered. I said, oh yeah, this ain't looking too good.
Wack, you gotta let me come to watch that one real quick.
yeah.
You gotta let me come
Yo,
watch
B.
that one, Wack. Come on, man.
This shit ain't looking
That's you.
shit. We going to Florida to do this.
Let me
We go.
know, man.
We going back
Yo,
to the spot. The
let me
dancing
know,
niggas, the
Wack.
dancing
Come on,
motherfuckers.
man. Let me go there with you, man.
Cause here for this shit right here. I'm looking. I said, I showed R&B. I said, look at this shit. She said, oh shit. I said, I told him. I asked the niggas the other day. So listen, bro, if it come back, well, Wack, I said, I'm defending him now based off the newspaper clip. But I got to work on the nigga I interviewed now. He's a rat, so he ain't credible. Yeah, he might not have been lying about that, but nigga, his parents, he could be. They could be using this proffer shit they got on him to make him dance. If that's the case, and the work come back, then what? Why we talking about? Fuck you mean why we talking about it? Well, what you gonna do? I'm gonna read the work and call a spade a spade. And what I'm looking at, whatever else he waiting on, it don't even matter. This ain't no newspaper articles.
Oh, he really pulling. He going.
Man, when I tell you, listen, watch it. I'm just gonna, cause I told him I wasn't gonna blow his spot up, but I'm gonna show you, okay, one thing, niggas know court documents.
We know certain stamps and all that. You know that,
That's
Wack.
what I'm trying to tell you.
Certain stamps
So
and
here
certain
you go.
things that on that court document that can make it
It
official.
don't even fucking matter. So I know what the fuck I'm looking at. Delete. Take some camera off. All right, when you see shit like this right here, hold on. Peace, when you see that type of shit, ain't no fighting it. There's no fighting that. Ain't no fighting them type of stamps, bro. You not fighting that. How you gonna fight it?
Oh shit, Wack. That shit stamped by the courts. You ain't fighting it. Like, we definitely.
How you fight that?
You can't fight some stamps like that. You can't fight that shit. Nah, yo.
How do you fight that, my nigga?
And the crazy part of it is you've always stood tall. Like, we gonna have this man's back. We ain't gonna. But at the same time, we're part of the exposers too.
Hey, bro, listen, my nigga. The nigga didn't take too kindly when I found a nigga that shot him. They debunked him, so he went to digging. You know what I'm saying?
He got low key, like he got in this bag real quick, huh?
He got in his bag.
Oh shit! If you're gonna go sit down face to face with the Wack out, that's gonna be some good shit right there, man.
Ain't no fighting this shit right here.
Yeah.
Hey, I had to step to the side right quick because I came on overtime to check it, right? The one ace in the hole, I will say you have, though. And this is for my partner that come up in that hole
Ain't no
here.
ace in the hole,
Nah,
bro. Ain't
stop that.
no
Yeah,
fuck. What
stop
you
that.
talking about?
Okay, I'm glad
No
you
ace
said
in the
that.
hole. Ain't no fighting that kind of shit.
No, that's a fact, but let me ask you a question, though. I'll say from 78 on back, how
I don't know
credible
nothing about
is
no
that? Is
78.
that
This 1968, bro.
no, I know. 10 years, we'll say after that and back. How credible is that? Because they were notorious in Illinois.
Credible is what?
Hold on, check me out real fast. They was notorious for putting false statements on the motherfucker in documented paperwork in that time though. You get what I'm saying?
Hey, bro, all you niggas, that's why some of you niggas get twisted. I know what the fuck I'm looking at. I don't know
No,
what
no,
the
I
fuck
believe
you
no, I
talking
believe
about.
you. No,
I
no,
know
I believe
exactly
you.
what the fuck I'm looking at.
Right, right.
Lawan, you
Statement,
ain't.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, statement.
Mm-hmm.
Since you want to talk about statements, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Since you want to hang your hat on fucking statements. Y'all want to hang your hat on statements.
No, no, I know you got what you got. I
Nigga,
ain't
I'm
never.
looking at the motherfucking witness list, nigga. Now you
Right,
want
right,
to
right,
statement that?
right. Okay. No, no, I
Lawan
know.
ain't even in
Fuck
his
a
jail. You don't
statement.
even. Yeah, he don't even know
Fuck
what
a
he's
No, no,
looking
no.
at.
statement.
Check. No, no.
I'm
Check
looking
me.
at the witness list.
Right, right,
On the paperwork of the shooter,
right, right.
I'm looking at the witness list. So if you see the nigga
Mm-hmm.
that got shot on the witness list, that's a statement? Or what is that?
No, 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 no.
Oh,
I know
okay.
what you're saying is
I'm
factually
just, I
correct,
don't know what niggas is.
but
Y'all
I'm gonna
niggas
be.
be coming with all this.
He
So
tried to spin it
But
like so.
I'm a,
No, no,
no, no, no, no.
shut
It
the
ain't no
fuck up, Lawan.
spin. Nah,
Nah,
nah.
Lawan,
Hold
shut the
up, hold
fuck
up.
up. If you don't know, you
No,
don't
and
even know a
no. Listen to
stamp.
what I'm saying. You
looking
don't
at
listen
a
to what I'm
witness
saying though.
Yeah.
list. The
What I'm
witness
saying,
list ain't no statement, nigga. It's the
right?
witness
That
list.
is correct. That is 100% correct. But what I'm
No
saying
buts,
is,
no buts. But what you saying is null and void. No buts, yo.
I'm not putting a
Yeah,
butt in
what
it.
you
But
The
saying?
you
fuck? You
still got to
can't.
hear what I'm saying though.
No, we can't listen to what you because of but this, but that. If you want to suck that man's
No,
dick,
no.
if he's telling you what he got,
No,
and you
fuck
listen to,
all that
yeah.
and fuck all you sucking and shit. You can do that. But what I'm saying is, I
I
don't
want to hear what he
credit them
said about.
motherfuckers in that era, dog, because
You said what?
it was. What I'm saying is, their shit. Unless you got a video that bad that,
A
they
What
can't touch
the
video?
fuck?
Nobody need no video. Fuck out of here, man. You niggas out your fucking mind, nigga. I'm looking at a witness list on the paperwork, nigga, of the shooter, nigga. On the witness list is a victim that got shot and four other
right,
motherfuckers. Fuck is
right.
you talking about?
It ain't no disputing that. Yeah. But I check back
What
with
is
y'all,
you
man. Cause
What?
talking
I
What
got
about
the?
a
Yo,
video
huh?
in 68, nigga?
You think
yeah.
you're gonna have it in
I tell you what.
4K?
When I got more time to get into it, I'm gonna hit
What
back
the?
with you on that.
Yo,
So
Man,
you can keep.
listen.
Hey, you tripping, Lawan. You
No,
I'm
tripping.
looking
I ain't
at a
tripping on shit. I know. No,
motherfucking
I know what I'm
witness
saying.
list. Nigga, I'm looking
That's
at
facts.
the direct
No, no,
witness list.
right, right,
Nigga, direct everything is on this shit. A to
right,
motherfucking Z.
right, right. No, no.
That nigga
I
on
know you
my
got what you
thing
got
lied
there.
about everything. He's a
Right.
bozo. Not only
Okay.
did I'm looking at the witness list, the other
Uh-huh.
nigga he said wasn't never charged, who
Right,
said
right,
burning, he went to
right.
jail too. They got all that shit. I'm
Oh
looking at it,
hell
nigga.
no. Nah, I
Circuit
know you.
Court
Nah,
of
I know
Cook
you're right
County,
now.
County Department Criminal Division, September
Right, right.
1968. People of the
Oh
state of
shit.
Illinois versus James Hightower. Indictment
Oh
for
yeah.
aggravated battery. A true bill. The
Right, right.
foreman and grand jury clerk, John Fredges. I'm looking at the witness list. Stamp October 1st, 1968, nigga. The fuck is you talking about? Number 301, 68344. I'm looking at it. Fuck is you niggas talking about? Man, you niggas is that shit. You gonna make me look at that shit like it's weak. You niggas just gonna just keep. So now you need a video. So we need a video with paperwork. I want to make sure I'm hearing this shit right.
Come off, Mike. LaJuan, you need a video now in
I
1963?
don't give a fuck what a nigga claim, nigga. If niggas been following a motherfucking rat, you been following a motherfucking rat, nigga. Know how many motherfucking niggas got homeboys that ain't here, nigga, cause they ratted and niggas made a decision? He ain't no better than the next motherfucking rat. If a nigga ratted, he ratted. I'm confused. What we got, rat pardons or some shit?
That's crazy.
You niggas is mad cause y'all been following behind something that been lying and manipulating y'all for 50, 60 years, nigga. You niggas is mad.
He read it at 19 years old. Was he 19, Wack? He was about 19.
I'm looking at, bro.
He was
nigga
19 years old.
I'm disrespecting 1090 hand. Nigga can't tell me nothing. I know what the fuck I'm looking at. I'm looking at it.
You look at the stamp. You can see the stamp. Come on now. And mind you, he's not even showing the whole shit. You look. He's just showing you a little piece of that shit so you can get you. LaJuan, on some real shit, bro. You better calm the fuck down talking about. And tell your OGs. They better calm the fuck down too. Cause if they follow the rap for motherfucking 50 fucking years, that's on them. If they want to sell their soul to that motherfucking rap.
Let me give y'all another document.
Let me tell you.
I want you to fight this document. Nah, fuck it. You wanna play, we gonna play. I want you to fight this document.
No, listen.
No. This called a Form AB1. This called a Form AB1. State of Illinois, Cook County. The September 1968 grand jury of the Circuit Court of Cook County. The grand jury chosen, selected, and sworn in for the county of Cook and the state of Illinois, and the name by the authority of people of the state of Illinois, upon their oath presented on September 4th, 1968, within said county. James Highsmith and Leonard Longstreet. Remember he said that nigga wasn't charged? Remember that?
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Watch
what
this.
He said when he was on
Committed the offense of aggravated battery. In that they intentionally and knowingly, legally, justification committed a battery on Larry Hoover, which caused great bodily harm to said Larry Hoover in violation of Chapter 38, Section 12.4 of the amended Illinois Revised Status of 1967. This another form. Man, if you don't go sit your ass down, you must be a GD or something? You know how many rules in code, nigga?
Nah, you misheard what I was saying.
Weird as a motherfucker. Nigga like you niggas is like, ain't got no money. Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Nigga that, you know how many power rules in told, Crips in told?
Niggas essays didn't told. You know how many essays didn't told? Sureños didn't told. The fuck?
Why you niggas act like dude ain't human, bro?
That ain't that.
Like dude ain't a nigga that just got caught.
Right. I'm already 1,000 steps of what you
No, you not.
I'm not disputing it.
Nigga, you talking about a nigga need a video with the work?
No. You didn't give me a chance to speak on what I was gonna say.
What the
but
fuck?
What I'm telling you is this. Listen, that part, it ain't that. You know what I'm saying? That's why I said when I get time.
It ain't that. Why? Hey, bro. Hey, listen, my nigga. He ain't no different than any other nigga. I have to tell a nigga. What come with what, nigga? I come from the nigga the state where we niggas been killing over colors. I'm still tripping on how niggas be thinking we supposed to be scared. What the fuck is you niggas talking about?
I don't know what they saying, but
A
what
rat
I'm
is a
saying is
rat.
that's right. There you go. Yep. Yeah, I ain't disputing that.
Cause a nigga rat, I
From
wouldn't
no
give a
era.
what the fuck is niggas talking about.
Right. Yeah. That's why I had to clear that with you, cause see, if you
Man, you
know what I'm
niggas, all
saying,
you
I'm letting
niggas
you
is
You
know that
weird.
ain't that.
Cause
double talk.
dude
He's
name
double
in the
talking.
mix, all of a
No.
sudden is different.
No,
That's what it
that ain't
sound
that.
like to me, bro.
Yeah.
It sound like you
But
dick
I'm gonna
sucking
leave it
him,
for
man.
we'll chop it up on. I mean, if you
That's what
want
it
to,
sound
G,
like.
that's on you. But yeah, that
Nah,
ain't that.
Lawan, you dick sucking and talking about a video footage. You asked us video footage.
You said a
Nah,
video.
that ain't what I'm
You
saying.
said it.
You
You said
listening.
it though out your mouth.
I put it like this: in an era when shit is unjustly done and motherfuckers
Oh,
doing
this
crazy shit.
motherfucker right here.
Shut up,
Yo,
Nah,
bitch.
you
this
shut up, dude.
fucking stupid motherfucker
These
unjustly
niggas is
done.
No,
crazy,
you're
You
not
bro.
go quit
listening. What I'm
sucking that. Oh,
saying
you a GD.
These niggas is
that
crazy,
ain't
bro.
got
That
nothing to
nigga can't
do
do
with
no
what
wrong in them
you
niggas'
Yeah,
talking
in
eyes.
his
about.
eye.
Yeah, bro.
That ain't what I'm
You see what I'm
saying.
saying?
Oh, gee,
I
this
will
nigga can't
call
do
him
no
we
wrong
will
in
call you a
nobody.
rat. I
This
don't give
shit
a fuck
crazy.
what, where you Mexican, white, black, Asian. If you a rat, you a rat.
Right.
Fuck
You're
that.
right.
Nah, then
That's what I'm
say it then. Then
saying.
say it then.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
then say it. Say he a rat then.
Yeah, you put an extra on it. Hell
Say
yeah. I
he's
mean,
a rat
that's what
then.
This
motherfucker.
nigga
I
said
feel
when
like
the
if
niggas
Say
what
he
unjustly
a
it
done.
rat
is, what it
then.
is. I ain't listen. I ain't got no
You can't
dog in the
say it because
fight
that will
either
fucking
way.
fuck you up and you scared.
Ain't nobody gonna fuck shit up.
Yeah, these niggas
He
is
starts
crazy.
stuttering, Wack.
Nah, nigga, nah, it ain't that. I mean, if you know, motherfucker, that's what it is, nigga. That's what it is.
We
Shit, I
don't
don't give.
know. That's our
Ain't no
problem. We don't know why y'all are scared of
right.
That's
this
what
nigga.
I'm saying, yo.
You see what I'm saying?
Niggas here, Larry Hoover.
I
That is the
Yo, what
boogeyman to
the
you
fuck?
niggas,
I don't
bro.
give a
We
fuck if
sitting
he
here
did
like,
50. He was 20 years old when they was booming at him, and all of a sudden he want to tell at 20 and then want to get locked up 5, 6 years, whatever the fuck. I don't give a fuck if you did 50 years.
You know what I'm
I don't give
saying?
a fuck if you did
I
50 years. If
understand
you was
that.
told before you did them
Uh,
50 years, you was a rat still.
right.
Yeah,
But at the
right.
same
Okay, then
time,
tell him he's a rat
nigga,
then, because apparently the paperwork we gonna show you,
let me
he's
tell
gonna
you
prove he's
something.
a rat.
It's
Let me tell
crazy.
you something. That I ain't never denied that. That's what I'm saying. Hey, you just created a whole waste of time speaking on
No,
something I ain't
you
even.
did that. You're saying because it's what we need video. Man, get the fuck out of here, bro.
No, that ain't. I ain't saying it like that.
they
You
had
said
cameras back
it.
then?
What I'm
You
saying
said
is,
it.
out of motherfuckers that have been motherfucking stealing property and all kind of shit from people putting weird shit on
Said
other people to
he.
make it
Where's the
seem.
What the what weird shit?
footage?
Also, let me ask
Okay,
y'all this.
look, I
Okay,
knew
let me ask
y'all
you
was
this. So
gonna
you
come
saying
with this. Hold on.
every
I knew
motherfucking
y'all
race
was
of
gonna
motherfuckers
come
that
with
did
this,
shit
bro.
back then
So let me
was
wake you
credible.
up to something. Let me wake you up to something,
All
bro.
right, let me mute up. Let me
Because
listen.
I knew you was coming with this dumbass bullshit. I knew they was gonna come like this. See, this is why y'all can't use that. You ready for this? Who Larry Hoover was later on, he wasn't that in '68, nigga. He was a regular motherfucker. So stop talking like this Larry Hoover 2020, a 2000, a 1998. This is 18-year-old Larry Hoover, 68. So you telling me that he was already that in '68 for them to want to do that? That's what you saying? That's like me saying who I am today, I was that in '94. That's what you said? You niggas be trying to spend so much, you don't even think. You're talking like, man, no, who he is today, who he was in '98 and '85 and all that. That ain't who he was in '68. He wasn't nobody for them to want to do nothing extra with. Either you did it or you didn't. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Come off your Michael, why we want to
Wait,
know.
look at you saying all this so who people was. Who was he in 68, nigga? I'm waiting. Like, you ain't even thinking about what you saying, bro. I'm waiting. Just being real. Like, you see niggas is saying this shit. Who that nigga was in 68